none of these have I bought. None of these I actually wanted. But somebody seems to have an idea that I collect owls. I do now, but not by choice. Tora's mum got into her own head that I collect owls, so therefore has just dumps random things on me that have got owls on them because she's of the opinion I need to collect owls. So I've ended up with owls. The reason I say this is because of this. It's now the 1st of May and this is my Christmas present. And as you can see, it's practically not been opened. It's unfortunate. This was my Christmas present from Tora, and it is actually 2 figures, statues. This one, yeah, you've guessed it, is owls. Lots of owls. So today, we're going to put together this. There are more. There's an owl there. There's far too many of them. It all came from this one. This one very owl. We bought back off from Corsica or somewhere on holiday, and because of that, I've now got a collection of owls. Anyway, so I digress. So this is this. And I literally have this, and I have no other pictures or instructions. Now I'm assuming that these must be supports. Ping. Yep, that's one. So that goes together like that. And then we have a figure who has legs, supports which need to come off. I'm going straight into super glue because the plastic glue, this is 3D printed, so it's probably not gonna stick together. So we're going with straight in super glue. Start with her. Okay, so she's got a saucer in this hand. Put a dollop of glue between the cup and the saucer. Make it a circuit, make it a loop. Right. So I'll start getting super glue all over me. I've got super glue stuck to my fingers. Super glue. Can't even hold this. Well, I am not designed for these sort of things. So. That goes on there like that to there. Will not stick together. But I can't get it on because it's sticking to my fingers. I've kind of given up on my belt. He's going there. Still going. This will not stick together. That still will not stick. So far this is taking me over 2 hours to do. I've got so much super glue on my hands, I can't, much sensitivity on, I can't get it off. I don't think that's actually. Okay, somehow, eventually, I've almost got it together. Just got to do this. I say, sir, what a jaunty little fellow you are, with that teacup perched so precariously upon your brow. I do say you are awfully dandy. Yes, you look at the rather fetching, I must say. Oh, there, yes. I don't know where this young fellow goes. This chap, man about the trees, I do not have a clue where you are meant to be. A jaunty little fellow. We shall put you here and call you George. I do say, Georgie, will you please stay? No, clearly not. Georgie, one last chance. We're having you put there. No, we're not. Georgie, where are you gone now? Georgie's not playing ball, much like everybody else. He's stuck to my finger. Georgie, it would help if Georgie wasn't so happy. Good job you called Georgie. It's a boy's name or a girl's name, and I think I've just made you into a girl. No. No. Georgie, where are you going? Not there.
One eternity later.
There's a good place to be. There we go. Right. With Georgie in place, I think we are glued together. Now, I think there are some gaps, namely in feathers. And there's a gap there. There's a gap there. I need a little bit of green stuff. Just a little bit. Bit of green stuff. A wee amount. Yeah, I just need to figure out what to do with this because that looks a real bit odd. A bit more. And cut the green stuff and snap the scalpel in half. That's strange enough, isn't it? That sort of makes a bit more sense. Next thing is to spray it. There's the paint on me. Oh. Red. Spraying up to create a heat like a light source. There. Okay, here we are. This is together, and that looks proper now, doesn't it? Still got chimera hair as per usual. It's blue on the back, red on the front. I'm gonna paint the cup yellow and then reflect it up into here. Ooh, you, me? Never. Isn't it a bit late for tea? Tea? No, thank you. Oh, shush. Just sit quietly. Have a cake, she whispered from below. Biscuit? Yes? There was a small cry. No, you. You? Will you stop? That's my tail. A clatter of saucer into cup from the lower branches. It pierced and moved like a needle into a bubble. A ruffle, a shuffle, a shake, and then the still. A feather fluttered in the glint. That always made the others ruffle and beaks to clack. So, what do we do now? Watch the wind and listen to the moon. We are up in the moon. Up, up, get up, you're on my wing. But you said there was cake. Is there cake? Ooh, you. No, no. Ooh. Oh, I see. But is there cake? I don't know. What's cool? Is there cake? Is there cake? Is there cake? Is a cake a flower? No, it's a bower. No. Oh, cake. Said a voice from above. This plate is heavy, it's going to fall. Autumn, not fall. Oh, yes, I see. It's going to autumn. Oh, my. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, caught it. Will you just sit, shuffle, ruffle, sit, and listen and sigh? And they sat. There was a ruffle, and a shuffle, and a sigh. A hoot, a who, a what, and a why. Now, who wants to start? Georgie? Yes? Yes. Who starts? Oh, do I have to? I thought we had cake. After. Oh. At dusk? But why? Cause. Oh. I thought you were going to say that. Oh well. Oh my. Goodbye. Here is Dusk and her tea party. I think it's become a thing. We'll make a little story now to go with the builds. What do you think? I think this is lovely. I think this is beautiful. I did just keep it very simple. Once it's sprayed. Yeah, I was going to paint all of the owls individually, different colours, but the mood sort of set it. I like Percy and George at the top. Percy, George. It is what it is. I have vast amounts of owls now to go with the collection. Yeah, I hope you like this. And have you made the tea party? If you have, how did you do it differently? Does yours have chimera hairs all over it? Look. I hope you liked this. If you did, thumbs, comments. If you want to see more building and making things, I've said I'm not going to keep saying it, but a few more of you. If you've seen more than one of these videos, come back for more. So, until next time, Dusk and it's a collective of owls. It's not a school, is it? It's a university, isn't it? A university. Dusk and the University of Owls will bid you farewell. Oh my. Goodbye. The can of blue has died. I don't know what it's doing. It won't spray. A whole can of it. It's making a gurgling sound. Sticking to me, not... Okay, this one's working, but only softly. Definitely going to have it now, because just poured a ton of it on my finger. Oh, I dropped it. My foot. So it seems like I collect owls.